In this video, I'll show you GetTransfer Review 2025. Is it the best app for cheap airport transfers? First, click the link in the description to visit the official website. Once the page opens, you'll see the home page. It should look similar to what you see here. GetTransfer presents itself as an affordable global marketplace for airport transfers, connecting travelers with independent drivers in 150-plus countries. According to their own data, users can save 20% to 70% compared with traditional transfer services in many markets. On the positive side, many users praise the ease of getting quotes, the range of vehicle types, and lower prices. However, there are serious concerns. Numerous complaints about drivers not showing up, refund delays or no refund, unclear support, and the company's role as a marketplace, not directly controlling driver behavior, means quality is inconsistent. Bottom line, if you're budget conscious and willing to accept a bit of risk, especially in service reliability, GetTransfer could be a good cheap option. But if you want guaranteed high-quality service and peace of mind, you might prefer a more established provider with stronger customer support. If you like, I can pull up specific cost comparisons of airport transfer trips, e.g. for Pakistan, UAE, Europe, using GetTransfer versus alternatives. So don't wait. Click the link in the description, grab your discount code, and start saving today. If you found this guide helpful, click the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials and exclusive deals.